Alright, hello everybody. We're going to be going over just a very simple how to do embeds in Discord.js. And then next video, which will be released Friday, we'll be going over the advanced command handler, which is just going to clean up the code a lot. Anyways, you can do a lot with embeds, and I'm going to teach you the very basics of using them. So, right up here where you have this, go ahead and add another comma, and then do message embed. T turns green. Now you can come down here and you can go ahead and add another command. So command client inside of the brackets. Let's just make a basic help command. It won't really do anything. It's just gonna tell the users what commands we have, which we don't really have that many right now. But the more and more commands you have, users are gonna forget certain commands. So the help command will be there just to tell them what's there. So go ahead and make a message.channel.send, and then you can go ahead and put help embed right here, but you haven't named it, so it's gonna obviously not work if you run it. So go ahead and make a space, and you can do const help embed, which is you just made it in the message in. So const help embed equals new message embed. And go ahead and do set title, and then whenever you want the title to be here, so let's say help command. Then you can do set description. This will be obviously, so when you see an embed, there's usually a title with some bold, and then there's stuff underneath. So this is going to be what's underneath the title. So we can go ahead and put, like, let's say our another important thing is code blocks. These really help make the embed look good. So you see if I do 3 of those, and then I can do inside of this. Oops. This is a code block, and then you see if I push enter, it'll go down automatically. So I have to go outside of it, press enter, and it makes this nice code block. You can also organize code, or not organize, color code this code block, I guess, by doing these, which is this basically stands for JavaScript. Or you can do, C++, which I think is actually C underscore, or I mean, non-capital. You can do Pi or Python. There's a whole host of languages. But if you want to make it look good, like, I don't have my bot. As I say, I'll show you the difference. So we're gonna go ahead and put, this is a help command in here. And then you can also set the color by doing set color, and then you have to put, so it's very important to put the OX, and then you can go to your web browser and do hex color. You can choose a color. Let's say I want mine to be red. You'd go ahead and copy this color, don't copy the hashtag, and then after that OX, put it in the code, and you can see there's no errors. But if I remove that OX, as you can see, it just takes it as like a normal file, or a name. I can't remember. Sorry, my words are messed up today. It doesn't take it as a hex color number, so you have to have that there. Now, if I save this file, let me go ahead and do new terminal and start the bot up. As you can see, no errors. Bot is online. I can go ahead and do help, and you can see help commands. So now let's go ahead and do the exact same code, but with code blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and do save, new terminal, node dot. No errors, and I can go ahead and do help. As you can see, it makes this nice. It just kind of helps organize it a little bit. But now if you're wondering how to make titles on top of this code block, I'm going to teach you how to do that. So this is basically how you make it look nice. So I like doing it this way. So prefix for this bot is, and then you would actually have to do, well, actually I haven't defined those. So it'd be config.prefix, another plus, and this will just grab whatever prefix you have in your config file. So in case you change the prefix and you forget, the help command is still going to match. And now that'll be in mini code block. So basically, what a mini code block is, I don't. It's not called a mini code block. It's what I call it. It's basically you put 2 of these marks, which is above tab and next and to the left of one, and it'll make it a smaller code block. This one, you can see this one's a little bit harder to tell it's an actual code block depending on your monitor. It's actually very hard to tell on my monitor, but anyways, it just makes it look good inside of the embedded. It has a background color, and then you can do, let's say, other info here. Put any other info you want there. Then come down and do dot add field. Now this is you have to put 2 things in here. So first, a title, and then a comma, and then more, and then a description. So that's what you have to do here. And you can see if I go ahead and save this and I run it back to here and I run the help command again, you see the description is up here, and that's in the mini code blocks, and the other info here, and then we have the title and then the description. Now you can also add a footer to this, so dot set footer. This is, and then you can put this is a test footer. So go ahead and close this terminal, save the file, open a new terminal, no dot, go back here, run help command again, and as you can see, there's now a footer down here. Now if you're wondering, there's one other add field option you can do, and it's called add fields. So what this is you do these, and then inside here you can do name, and then these, comma, value, colon, more of those, and then inline, true. Now you can make up to 3 of these, and it will make a single line of info, depending on the length. And the comma afterwards is only important if you have more afterwards. If it's the last one, remove the comma. Now, test field 1, test description 1, and then another test field 2, test description 2, test field 3, and then what in the world? Test description 3. Alright. You can go ahead and save this. No dot again. Come back here. Do help. And as you can see, they're all lined up. If you set inline to false, it won't do that line structure. And as always, no more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe. So like I said, next video, which is Friday's video, we'll be going over the advanced command handler, which is just going to open up a whole new host of everything you can do with this bot. So if you're excited for that, like I said a minute ago, make sure to like and subscribe. Also, you can join our Discord server, and if you have questions, I will try my absolute best to answer them. The link for that can also be found in the description. Have a great day.